Do you have kidney stones? You do not want to miss out on this video if you do. Kidney stones are painful. They are tiny, hard deposits made of minerals and salts that form inside your kidneys. They have spikes, they tear through your urinary system, and you wonder how something so small can do so much damage. There are plenty of ways to avoid getting kidney stones, but if you are prone to them, I want to tell you that there are herbs that can help. But first, let's talk a little bit more about kidney stones. There are several different types of stones that can form, but are often formed when the urine becomes concentrated, allowing minerals to crystallize and stick together. This means it is imperative you drink between 2 and 3 liters of water per day. This will prevent any concentration and stones forming. Passing kidney stones can be quite difficult, but the stones usually cause no permanent damage, unless they are too large to pass. Even when passed, infections will set in. If they are too large to pass, surgery may be required. As I mentioned before, there are several types of kidney stones. I won't go into the specifics here, just know that each type of stone can be prevented when you understand what type you have. Regardless of which type you have, when you have one, you want it out fast. On top of making sure you drink 2 to 3 liters of water a day, you could consume dandelion leaf to increase your urine output. You could also add in marshmallow root to coat the stone and help it pass easier. One other herb is gravel root. Gravel root is known to help kidney stones and is one you should have in your arsenal. For today's video, I am going to stick with an herb that has helped me in the past. It is called Piedra. It works well to get the stone moving and helping to get the stone out of the system. Piedra, also known as stonebreaker, contains chemicals that relieves spasms and increases urine. It also fights bacteria and viruses. While it should not be taken if pregnant or nursing, it is safe to take this herb daily as a preventative. Piedra is widely known and used for kidney stones, but it can also be used for hepatitis B, stomach pain, asthma, and diabetes. If you grow this herb, it is one in which the leaves, flowers, and stems are all used medicinally. This herb is alkaline, so it may help if you have an acidic kidney stone. It's a less expensive over-the-counter alternative to prescription potassium citrate, which is an alkalizing agent that is commonly used to prevent acidic kidney stones. In one study of 56 people with kidney stones who took 4.5 grams of Piedra twice daily, researchers found that the kidney stones decreased in size and number in about 2/3 of the participants. So, if you are prone to kidney stones, it might be a good thing to look into this incredible herb called Piedra. If you don't grow this herb, you can purchase this online or in natural food stores. SHTF Survival Homestead Teaching Farm thanks you for watching this video. Please continue to help us help you by liking, sharing, and subscribing.